Guys, in this video we're going to do a boot up comparison between the Samsung Galaxy A13 and the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra and see which one is faster. So I'm going to press on the power button on both devices at the same time. So I'm going to press and hold for a few seconds. Once I see the logo appear, I will let go. And then now we'll see, it will boot up and see what is the difference between the two. And let's see how fast it is on the Galaxy S22 Ultra versus the A13. Okay, so both of them are still now showing the logo, Samsung Galaxy logo. And on the S22 Ultra, it has an Android icon at the bottom with a small wording here, secured by Knox. It is a security feature. Already the Galaxy A13 is booting up already. Okay, so we already to the home screen on the Galaxy A13, and the S22 Ultra still trying to do optimization apps. Perhaps because I haven't restarted this device for a while, so it is now taking some time to try to optimize apps on the background. Then I need to pin the SIM unlock, and then I need to unlock my lock screen. So now it is starting up. So you can see here, looking at booting up the first time, this is quite faster. So I'm going to try to restart it and do it again. So I'm going to power off on this one here, and I'm going to power off to the Galaxy S22 again. And we'll do another comparison again, because actually I'm quite surprised the A13 actually boot up faster than the Galaxy S22 Ultra. So let's do another test just to make sure it is accurate. Okay, so now it is booting up. Okay, so if this time the Galaxy A13 is still booting up faster than the S22 Ultra, then I have to declare this is the winner. Okay, so now I'm going to put in the SIM pin. As you can see, this time the S22 Ultra boots up faster than the A13, as I suspected, because it must have been doing some updates on the background, causing it to be slower on the first time. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.